Welcome to Ask MBA guys, my name is Sneha and today I would like to congratulate all the CET aspirants who have scored really good in this examination and you're going to get the top colleges which are there for MBA. Now guys, those who couldn't score that good, you still have the opportunity to go for rest of the other entrance exams which are there. Now in this video, I'm going to mention the name of the exams and the registrations which are there. You shouldn't feel that maybe you should compromise on the score which you have got for CET and just go for any random colleges. Just think wisely before taking any decision. You still have options guys. The first option which is there of CAT examination, but the last date is tomorrow, which is 14th of September. So please go and get the forms filled. Don't wait for another day or time. Just go to the official website. The link is mentioned out over here. Go and fill it right now. And the exam is going to be on 27th of November guys. Don't feel disappointed that you haven't scored good. It's absolutely fine. People do make mistakes, but you have got an idea of how exactly the entrance exam looks like and how much score is required to get into those colleges. It's fine. You have another chance because the exam was delayed. So CAT is one of the entrance exams which you can go for. Apart from that, you have NMAT. NMAT registrations are also on. The last date to fill the form is on 10th of October. The exam is going to be around October to December. In between, the dates are still to be got. Then you have SNAP exam, which is for symbiosis colleges. The last date to fill the form is on 24th of November. There was a video being uploaded right before this that how you can gauge that you should be appearing whether for SNAP, XAT or NMAT like examination, so that you just don't waste the money for registration of the forms, but you also have an idea that yeah, I'm capable of going for this exams and I'll be getting a certain score, and as per that you can you can take the admissions for the colleges. Then again you have TIS examination, which is for Tata Institute of Social Science. The last day to fill the form is 10th of Jan, so you have a lot of time to think about it and go for the exam. Then you have another exam which is CMAT, which the forms are again out. The registration has yet started. It will be starting out in November and then till Jan it would be there. But yes, you have CAT as an option, NMAT is there, you have symbiosis, SNAP, you have XAT, and you have TIS examination again, but it is there till November. So I think we can cut down to CAT, NMAT, SNAP and XAT registrations which are live on their official website. So don't waste further time and go and fill the forms. Also, you will be getting an opportunity. Sorry for that interruption. But yeah, coming towards the video, that you still have an opportunity to get into those colleges. So don't feel disappointed guys. There is time. But then if you're watching this video today, so go and fill the forms on the official CAT website. The link is there in the description box below. Please go and get the form filled, and all the best for your future. Whatever decision you will be taking after this, I hope it makes sense to everyone and you don't just compromise on the colleges, because this degree is important for you guys. You only get MBA done once in your lifetime and it's a great start for your career. So don't compromise on this decision and go for the best. Thank you so much.